Hello, awesome developers! Introducing a ReactJS Big Bundle. This is a collection of 5 most viewed and downloaded applications with different features put together to help developers amplify their toolkit. These applications have full tutorials on basic to advanced standards of ReactJS. Also, we have included special rights to reuse the template after downloading. For example, this developer who got promoted to a senior developer after uploading our template onto his portfolio. So which applications are in these big bundle? We have Flight Booking Web Application, Most Viewed and Downloaded Travel and Tour Web Application, Car Dealer Web Application, Real Estate's Web Application, and a special gift for developers, a fully responsive personal portfolio website that you can modify and deploy immediately. The ReactJS Big Bundle comes with a master resell reuse rights, which means you can modify the template and reuse it however way you wish. IsraTech transfers 100% ownership once you download the Big Bundle. Links to this amazing template and the Big Bundle are attached in the video description, and we're looking forward to learning your story of success with these templates.